Oh, oh, oh my gosh.
Did you see how big he was?
Yes. Bring it over, just bring it over.
Get the net, get the
Welcome back, fishing fam. It's my birthday, and I'm here at Little Seneca Lake. Check it out, just pulling out. Oh, here's the wifey here. She wanted to tag along. She's my best friend, and I'm glad she's making it out with me today. So let's catch some bass. This is I have no idea what I'm doing set up. There's a bunch of rods there, I didn't even count them. So we'll just find something. Hopefully someone will buy one of these things. Let's go. 30 subs. So right now it's 60 degrees temperature on this fish finder thing. It looks like fish under us, but let's see if they're gonna bite. Let me turn off the sonar. I like turning off sonar. All right, so let's see. So I can sneak up on them. I'm gonna disable all the sonar. I just use it for temperature. A little bit jealous she gets to try it out first. But this is just the cycle bait from Catch Co. paired with the Yoda worm from Catch Co. So all you gotta do, babe, just cast it out and just, you know, let it drop down for a few seconds, like right, then just reel it in. It's pretty slow. It doesn't have to be too slow. Let me just see. Let's see how the action. All right, let me try. I'm excited to try this. Look at this thing. Look how far it goes. Boom!
nice catch.
Let it go like 5 seconds. Right? They just reel it in slowly. Man, this thing, I think you're gonna beat me. You're gonna have the biggest fish with this. All right, my first go at it. Well, I just want to get on the board. So I got this sick little ordeal here. It's called the Molex Finder Jerk Suspending. This is my jerkbait setup, X Prime medium, 6'10", covered with the Aldebaran 31 HG. Does it get better, any better than that, folks? I don't know, man. I don't know. You have to convince me. I'm gonna shoot out the back of the boat. Miss a couple spots here. Control a little bit forward out. Let the wife get the pole position. She got the best seat in the house. Oh shoot. Yeah. There we go. Little dinker. I was like, did I snag again?
Yes, first fish for the birthday boy.
Let's get him in there first. Just try and get away.
Oh, where's the net? Should I get the net?
No, it's okay. Here, little guy.
Nice. Come on. Grab him by his big mouth.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh.
I touched him, so it counts.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you know.
I knew I should have got the net, my bad.
It's alright. It was a little guy, so.
I think I got a pic of it.
Well, it tells me they want something like this. So. I did. Go bigger, go bigger. I would have been more serious if it was a big one.
This one right now?
For this clarity? Huh? Use this though. This is more for the clarity. Huh? If you want to. Here, this is if it gets a little clear, like now. Like earlier it was muddy, right? Kind of muddy-ish. So the other one was good.
Babe, this one? This one?
Yeah, that's. What is this clear? Throw that for now. If you see a little mucky, then you can throw the other one. Get him.
Babe.
Huh?
He's big.
Do you want a net?
I don't know. Yeah. Hurry up.
Oh!
Hurry up.
Hold on. I don't know where the net is. Oh, you buried it.
Hurry up.
Oh! Babe, you buried the net with all my stuff. Oh, shoot.
Did you get it on camera?
Yeah. Oh.
Did you see how big he was?
Yes. Get back in there.
I'm so sad right now. I'm hurt. My heart is broken.
You better get back
My
in
heart
there.
is so broken.
I told you, man. Everything's like.
I can't believe I just seen that thing with my eyes.
All right, look. Lesson learned. The net's got to be like, boom, on top of everything. On top of everything. You got all these snacks and. Holy man. What? Look, man. We found where they are. This is the pattern. All right. That was huge. Ah. You don't have to. Don't worry about it. Let's catch one. How's your heart beating right now?
Huh?
How's your heart beating right now?
It's dead. It's broken.
It's broken. Oh, I knew it, man.
Did I put away my
Did I tell you though? Like, if you,
right now.
I told you, right? If you switch base, it's gonna be this clear of water condition.
Man, listen.
It's perfect.
I'm so serious right now. I'm so mad.
I think she's hooked, y'all. You're gonna scare him away. She was the loud one earlier, now I'm the one. Welcome to the heartbreak of bass fishing. It's what keeps us coming back and spending all this money on $800 setups right here. With a little tiny minnow looking bait. Oh yes, I saw. I didn't think he would get off. I thought you had him pegged. So that, all right.
I should have just put him on in the boat. You should have just told me to put him in the boat.
I mean, no, you can't boat. I don't know if that boat flip would have worked on him.
Why not?
I don't know. It just didn't look like it would.
If I lift him up, he would have done it. Like, he was so wild.
Yeah, he did that head shake in it.
Huh?
That head shake got it out.
Dang it. I should have kept it up though, so I gave him that slack to jump off that hook. Dang it. To be honest, I don't know why, but I felt bad for him and I wanted to keep him in the water. You know what I mean?
We're gonna put him right back, so don't ever do that.
No, but I'm just saying, like, for some reason, I was like, let me just keep him in the water until you get the net. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm just a person right now. I haven't fished all season, right?
Right. Don't worry, we'll get more bites like that, hopefully.
Please come back to me. I just want a picture with you.
Well, I got the battle on camera, so we'll relive the tragedy. I'll do an instant replay.
Don't hit the dog. Did you see how big he was?
Yes. You know.
Dang, how tragic was that? I can't believe it. That thing was huge. I really wish. How can I get a picture of it? Need a GoPro.
Go catch one, babe.
Huh?
Catch another one.
No, I wanted to see the fight and everything.
That's fun of it, right? That's why I record it.
That thing was huge.
Yes, it was.
I'm so sorry. I missed it.
You know, the more you cast, the more chances you'll get another one, even bigger, even. Like it pulls back, right? It's that tug, man. That's what we come back for. The tug is a drug.
That would have been the biggest fish I ever caught in my life.
Might have been. Don't worry, we'll keep going.
Why is it so fun though?
Right? Something about it. You know, if you're out here in the natural, relaxing environment, then suddenly, you know what I'm saying, you get bit, and it's like, whoa, 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 whoa. I gotta see this thing. I want to know what it looks like. I want to touch it. I want to feel it. I want to smell this. I want to know. Just bring it over.
I was just so scared. I just thought she was
Yeah.
scared. But what's funny is the last time I worked with her last week, I explained to her, like I actually had a moment to talk to her, and I tried to explain to her what was going on with the doses. Like, hold on, I forgot how to bite. Nope, I got a snag.
Dang it. Oh, I see it.
Wait, I got fish.
Oh, pull it. Yes, pull it.
I got a fish. He's
Oh, it's a
fighting
big
hard.
one.
He's fighting,
That's
babe.
a big one.
I thought I had a snag. Oh my gosh, please get
Oh!
him. Get him on camera.
I told you.
Get the net.
Bring it over. Just bring it over.
Get the net. Get the net.
You got it.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
I told you I was going to get you a big one.
Yeah. Oh, whoa, strong. Look at that.
Babe,
Look at
first
that
I
girl.
thought I got a snag. Okay, hold on. Should I
Look,
put this
give it a
down?
little slack.
Give it a little slack? Okay.
Yeah.
Give it a little slack.
There, it's good.
I don't know what bait I had, but you're going to have to do all of that.
Yeah.
Hold on.
This is the saucy swimmer cooking
Hold on,
spot.
hold on.
Let her go?
Wait, take another picture.
No, better let her go. Or make more bass babies and stuff.
I'm boosted.
About a 2-pounder.
It feels like a 2-pounder?
Yeah. I'm gonna get you official weight so you'll know what to beat. Your high score. Okay, this is gonna be your high score. Okay. 2.04. That's your new PB.
Okay, okay.
2.04 pounds, new PB. This is her score to beat. Well, I gotta beat it today too. Are you kidding me? Alright, you'll let her go, okay?
No, you're right. I don't want to. Let it go, baby.
Okay. Alright, fishy. Go out there and make some bass babies. See ya. Oops. That water is crystal clear. Vision 110 plus 1 IU type color.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Oh yeah. I feel like they're a little deeper than. Let's see what I can find.
This tea is piping hot.
We just snagged my bait.
Where the hell did it go? Oh, okay.
You found it? Oh my gosh. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one.
You got a big one?
Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh!
You're telling me that was a big fish that you just caught?
Yes! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! This is that. Look at, there he goes! Yeah! He broke my line!
What did he hit?
Jerk bait.
Nice.
Well, not anymore. You got it with him. Darn it. Oh. Just cut whatever that is and then grab the bait. Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
Talk about the one that got away.
Oh no, man.
All the time.
Took my Vision 110. That lure caught me so many fish.
Oh, really? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm out. My snag is done.
Well, keep fishing. At least get them back. Go.
Stay right here?
Yeah, I mean, I gotta retie. Oh, sadness. Street tackle box. What's in there? All right. Nice little crankbait. Bass Bite square bill. Ooh, tungsten. Yes. Always good to have these. A white frog. Not sure if it's frog timing yet. Probably is. I'm just not that good at it. Some hooks. What is this? Ooh. Swim jig. Reflex swim jig. Nice for murkier waters. Alright, what'd the goons get me? A popper, blooper. Oh boy. Haven't caught a popper fish in a while. Shaky head jig. Very good. Let's see what else. Alright. Plasma tail worm. Barrel spawn by Catch Co. Looks great. Perfect for this. Look at this. Some craws there. Always good to have. Alright, there you have it. Some dibble. Some stickers. Alright, I'll keep what I have here in mind. Today I'm searching for that bot.
Yeah. So right now it's just catch and release. So I got a big one. Yeah.
Hey, Luck.
How you catch those 2 fish? Have you caught more besides those 2?
Well, there was smaller one like down that way towards the ramp. A perch.
Bait, that fluke.
Yeah.
Good, 'cause people are struggling. They're not catching too many fish, so that's a good job.
It's comfortable right now.
Yeah, I mean, it was huge, and then like he surged. I didn't expect him to surge like that.
I thought you were hung up, and I saw your line snap, and I saw it launch. I'm like,
Yeah, it was
good one.
a good one, and he surged, and it was a goner from. I have 8 pounds, so she's using a swim bait. She caught a 2-pounder on the
Okay. And I saw you guys catch another one over on that point.
Yeah, but another one got off on there. It's like around
Okay.
another like 2-pounder.
Good, yeah, because a couple people I saw at the boat ramp, they said like they're coming back when I was coming out. They're like, no, they didn't get a bite or catch anything, so I was happy to see you guys catch some fish.
Yeah, how about you?
I haven't got a bite.
You haven't? What you using?
No, so I was like, and I'm drifting with live bait plus tossing, so it's weird.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What? These are finicky, man. Yeah. I lost the jerk bait though, so. Good luck. Oh, there we go. Oh, I threw it off.
Was that a fish?
Yes.
Come on, babe.
I know. Alright, y'all. Well, the sun's about to set, so I'm gonna head back to the boat ramp. Looks like I was defeated again by none other than her. I'm telling you, I have to take the assist though. I mean, I did rig her up. I picked the bait. Kind of gave her the idea that the clear water, that paddle tail swim bait, that Guggen, I don't know where it is, but basically, yep, there it is, right there. That's a saucy swimmer right there on the Matt Helen swim bait head. Oh man, that's a perfect pair right there. I think that's a 3/8 ounce. Right, yeah. So that got her new personal best bass. At first it was like a pound. It was a tiny little bass she caught like right around here. And today you saw her defeat that personal best, and that was a 2.04 pounds. Let's see if she could beat that her next trip out. You know, she defeated me. The one I caught was like 1.3 pounds. I didn't even record it. I'll just leave a picture there. But yeah, and I caught that little tiny perch and lost a couple nice ones. That was heartbreaking, but you know, all in all, a great day, good time on the water. I mean, it's very relaxing, spending time with your loved ones, and I hope you guys get to go out there and enjoy nature as well. And until we see each other again, please take care of yourselves, survive everything, so we can have more days like today. There you go. If you ever feel down, get out there. Ever feel happy, get out there. Take care of yourself. Peace.